In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a review on Overstock. If you've recently purchased something from Overstock and want to share your experience, the process is straightforward. Leaving a review can help other shoppers make better decisions, and it also gives useful feedback about the product you received. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do it from your account. Start by going to the Overstock website. Once you're there, sign in to your Overstock account. Make sure you're using the same account you used to place the order, since reviews are typically connected to your purchase history. After signing in, head to My Account and select Orders. This section shows your past purchases and makes it easier to locate the item you want to review. If you've ordered several products, take a moment to find the specific order that contains the product you want to talk about. When you locate the item, look for the Write a Review option next to it. If that option is available, click it to begin. Keep in mind that this button may only appear for eligible items, so if you don't see it right away, the product may not be ready for review yet, or may not qualify at that time. Once the review form opens, begin by rating the product using the star rating system. Choose the number of stars that best matches your overall experience. This gives other shoppers a quick snapshot of how satisfied you were. Next, write your review. Try to include clear, helpful details about your experience with the product. For example, you can mention the quality, appearance, comfort, size, durability, or whether the item matched the description online. A concise but honest review is usually the most helpful. If there were any standout pros or drawbacks, this is a good place to mention them. If you'd like, you can also add photos or videos. This step is optional, but visual feedback can be especially useful for other customers. Images or short clips can help show what the product looks like in real life and provide more context for your written comments. After you've completed your rating and written review, submit it. Once submitted, your review will be sent through Overstock's system and may appear after it has been processed, and that's it. By signing in, opening your orders, selecting Write a Review, rating the product, adding your comments and optional media,